So we had put chroma down, came back, somebody put a scratch in the floor. So how we're going to fix that, same way that you'd fix the floor with a scratch when using a solvent-based stain, we're gonna chase the grain using our scraper to fully scrape the scratch out. We're gonna use 120 grit paper to sand that area, but we're also going to use, you know, the edge of our paper, whatever, to continue to kind of feather out and chase that grain. We may even chase it a little more with our 120 grit diamond. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna add some more chroma to it. But this is where the method differs. Instead of taking our rag and wiping that stain to blend it out into all the rest of the floor, we're gonna dab that extra bit of chroma off the floor. And then we're going to kind of slowly and carefully trick wipe from the outside of our repair in, and try to prevent as much as possible pulling more of the chroma out into the rest of the floor, which may result in a little bit of a dark halo for us. All right, so we'll get started with that, see how it looks when we finish. All right, so there's our repair of our scratch. We got it out as much as we could without having to scrape a slope down into the board. Matched out the stain and blended that out really well without pulling too much more out into the rest of our boards. And that's good to go.